Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you step by step how to upload photos and images on Google Drive and how to share them with your friends. So let's get started. Alright, so there are basically two different ways how you can do that. The first one would be inviting your friends through a link to access your uploaded photos here on Google Drive. So let me show you how to do that. For demonstration purposes, let me upload a simple photo from my computer to my Google Drive. To do that, click on this new and plus icon here in the upper left corner. Select upload file from the drop down menu and upload the file from your computer onto your Google Drive. Once your file has successfully been uploaded, head over to the home section of your Google Drive account. Select the file you would like to share with your friends. Next, click on these three dots here to the right, and after that select share, and after that click on copy link. There you go. As you can see here in the bottom left corner, your link has been successfully copied so that you can share it with people online. And to eventually give people you share your link with online access to your uploaded files here on Google Drive, you will need to do a little change in the access settings. So let me show you how to do that. Again, click on these three dots here to the right, select share, and next share again. And after that, switch from general access restricted to general access anyone with the link. So that now people you share your link with can not only click on your link, but also get access to the uploaded files you share with them. And option number two would be, for example, guys, if you don't want to share your uploaded files with random people online, but with selected people specifically, in this case, all you would need to do would be to simply grant your friends access to your Google Drive by submitting their email address here into this field and to assign a role to them, like for example editor, depending on how much access you want to grant them. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.